Rasta the sweat kaya man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity. Grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light. No, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from Zion Hill, river run by Jaja will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touch the root, it feed the tree. It set the hungry spirit free. It called the thirsty, come and take. Drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep. River run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate. It opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore. Sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind. Leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. your pace. Jah will guide you through His grace. It teach the world to live as one, under light of rising sun. Every ray a righteous plan, shine for every woman, man. When the nightfall start to creep, light still guard this soul in sleep. From dusk again to breaking day, it keep the shadows far away. It never dim, it never die. Light of Zion reach the sky. From first dawn to final time, it shine in rhythm, pure and prime. Shine high, shine strong, light of Jah forever long. From east to west, from earth to space, Zion light fill every place. No veil, no storm can block the glow. Light of Jah forever show. Light of Mount Zion, warm and clear, burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade. Shine until the peace is made. From mountain crest to valley deep, light of Jah will ever keep. Aye, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth His holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. Oh. Ah. Oh. It welcome humble, welcome meek. Zion's gates, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gates, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gates, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gates, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gates, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gates, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gates, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gates, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gates of holy birth. Forever shining, never dim. Zion's gates, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gates, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gates, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gates still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. ancient, strong and brave. Tell the story, chant this song, guide the people all along. Every word a root so deep, every call a vow to keep. Voice of Zion, pure and wise, speak the truth, no man denies. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear, call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide your wisdom door. It whisper in the wind at night, tell the seeker walk in light. It speak through drum, it speak through fire. Lift the spirit, make it higher. From desert sand to ocean wide, voice of Jah will always guide. No silence hold, no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land, hold the silent righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity, live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come alive, me hear it call from forest green in every storm. Jah protect and keep you warm. It bind the hearts in love's embrace. Bring the people face to face. Every beat a holy seed. Plant the root of righteous deed. When the morning start to break, drums still play for Zion's sake. From dusk again till sun is high, drum of Jah will never die. It keep the step, it lead the way. Guide the children as them pray. From first sound till final breath, drum will chant through life and death. Beat high, beat low. Nyabinghi make the spirit grow. Na 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 na, Zion reggae, yeah man. Morning rise on Zion Hill. Light up Jah shining still. Bird them sing, the earth rejoice. Zion morning holy voice. It called the children, called the land. Zion morning by Jah, forever shining bright and new. Zion morning for me and you. Zion morning bright and clear. Jah forever always near. Every sunrise, every song. Zion morning all along. It chased the darkness, chased the night. Zion morning full of light. Forever glowing pure and free. Zion morning carry me. It lift the weary, heal the soul. Zion morning make we whole. Eternal shining never cease. Zion morning bring Jah peace. Me see the elder greet the day. Zion morning lights the way. Forever holy, never wrong. Zion morning chant a song. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion morning meek and mild. From east to west, from shore to shore. Zion morning evermore. It rise eternal, rise so high. Zion morning fill the sky. Forever glowing, never dim. Zion morning holy hymn. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion morning call Jah name. Eternal shining strong and wide. Zion morning Jah provide. When the trumpet sound again, Zion morning still remain. It rise eternal, never gone. Zion morning forever strong, forever shining, holy flame. Zion morning praise Jah name. From dawn of time till endless day. Zion morning light the way. Rise high, rise strong. Zion morning all along. No night, no chain can hold the day. Zion morning here to stay. Zion morning bright and clear. Jah forever always near. Every sunrise, every song. Zion morning all along. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion morning shining on. Na 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 na, Zion Reggae. Na 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 na, Zion Reggae. Bloom so bright in morning dew, garden grow with life anew. Every flower a sacred sign, every tree a root divine. Peaceful ground where love can grow, truth and light in river flow. Garden of Jalash and free, show the path of destiny. Garden of Zion, pure and fair, Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace, holy ground, a sacred place. It feed the hungry, heal the poor, open wide the righteous door. It shade the weary, calm the mind, plant of love for all mankind. No drought can kill, no storm destroy. Garden bloom with endless joy. Babylon hand can claim this soil. Zion garden fruit me toil. It grow the herb, fi cure the pain. It teach the farmer, bless the rain. It hold the root of history, tell the tale of prophecy. Every stem a story told, every bud a gift of gold. In the garden, hearts unite, walk together in Jah light. Me walk upon the sacred ground, hear the silent holy sound. It's a hold firm, don't lose the way. Zion bloom come every day. It guide the hand, it guide the seed, teach the soul of Jah creed. Every breath a blessing true. Garden grow in me and you. When the evening falls so sweet, garden sing in rhythm beat. Stars above and earth below, Zion garden ever grow. From first dawn to endless time, sacred garden stay divine. Love and peace forever stand. Garden grow in every land. Bloom high, bloom wide. Zion garden never hide. From soil to sky, from root to leaf, garden bring just soul relief. Garden of Zion, pure and fair, Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace, holy ground, a sacred place. From seed to flower, branch to sun, garden of Jah will never done. Na 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 na. Jah bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me bun one, give long illusion reach the sky. Sacred fire burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel whole. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul align. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire blaze it high. Rasta light never die. Sacred fire still my mind. Inner peace is what I find. Sacred fire show the way. One love, one heart every day. She sit beside eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. Them lock we up in mental jail. Them feed we fast food and fairy tale. Them sell we fair like market fruit, while we forget the ancient root. Me see the youth, them hypnotized by screen and sound and sweet disguise. But me not blind, me still a feel the system fake, me spirit real. Me wake up in a Babylon dream, where everything bright but nothing clean. Them bleach the truth, them twist the name. Them point the finger, shift the blame. But Na smoke a spliff inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own two hand. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me not hesitate. Feel liberate, one spliff, one love. Me meditate, no hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we not pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jackal I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me nah wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn. But me nah preach war or fight. Me show them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff a psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me no chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike. With the herb in a me pack and the drum in a me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me na rush. Me meditate, me mind pure, like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun. In a Ganja Temple, me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice, only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot beer, them chanting code. Me sister bred up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple, a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trot this way. Me greet you at dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple, no man rule, just roots, reggae and Rasta school.
Smoking chalice in the jungle, yeah man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from a ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum, me say. Calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round this sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take your higher. Boom, 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 it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line up, me up a prayer. Me nah fear, me nah fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory band from when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you on life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
Cool the far. Carry the word of who we are. From root to leaf, from shore to plain. Wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belongs. Lift the prayer to heaven's door. Spread Jah love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky. Wind of Jah will never die.
Deep meditate, yeah, man. Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches blessing all, not just one. Leaves a whisper, Jah command. Shade and shelter, feed the land. Tree of life will never fall. Jah creation, bless us all. Tree of life, so strong and free. Spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. Birds them singing early morn, nesting branches safe and warm. Fruits are grow for rich and poor. Welcome all through open door. It teach the youth to plant and care. Share the blessings everywhere. Tree of Zion stand so true. Give the strength we carry through. Through the storm and through the drought, tree of life still stand devout. Babylon axe can't cut it down. It wear Jah roots like holy crown. It guard the path to righteous way. Mark the place where children play. Every ring inside the wood tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate. Hear the whisper, feel the fate. Tree a talk in ancient tongue. Tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it drop today carries Zion far away. When the moon rise high and bright, trees still guard we through the night. From dawn again till evening call, tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend. It stand in strength till very end. From root to leaf, from sea to sky, tree of life will never die. Jah spirit deep inside. From soil to star, from root to crown. Tree of Zion, hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of just and mighty still. Tree of life, so strong and free. Spread your love for all to see. Feed this soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side. Tree of life forever guide.
Na na na. Zion Raga, yeah, man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burn the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. Through Jah love you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong. Teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride. Leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright. Fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end. Sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above. Blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear. Rastafire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the
Na na na. Ganja everywhere, yeah, man.
Me day upon the earth with no chain pon me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Justice on me herbs, a natural life. Me walk barefoot, Panjalan. a me hand. Mountains whisper, secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom are that me need. Herb in a chalice, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta now run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I'll still cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a job place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a Mac and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me in a guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one high, give thanks in song. Rasta not stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me jaw in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down mental separation. From hillside drum to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with Nyabinghi flame. Me call your name and feel no shame. In this life of rhythm and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom. Ay, 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 ay. Speka chakalaka yama. Early na the morning, me rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibes alright. Me walk barefoot, pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This are the Irie Way, the only road. Through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This are the Irie Way, me so rejoice. Rasta in a high heart, in a high voice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jaja always standing by. Me no need gold or fame to shine.
start. Me feel the wind whisper, ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view. Under the moonlight me chant psalms. Me soul protected, me life calm. Me sister in home, sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float pan rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right, chant the song. So me do that still, each word me write. A touch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, a modern sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion echoes, the truth will play and show you the Irie Way, boy, to live.
Ay, 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, your man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone. Far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity. Just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow. Like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone. Cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to your conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me roots strong. In a the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. In a the quiet I know. Everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper
the silence, Jah blessing flow.
Zion, your man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie, smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chains still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chant in pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come true. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul na swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. Me use drum fi talk to sky. Me use bassline fi make truth fly. So if you're lost in concrete zone, listen deep, you're still not alone. My voice is candle in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. Me DNA link tree to see. No barcode label, panja man. Me na scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, no need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Jamaica pushing on the chalice, yeah man.
Light up the chalice, silence na the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner me sit, herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence, me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Me hear the leaves whisper in a breeze. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach I how fi walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple in a me mind, clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth, hold firm, think deep, herbs fi uplift. No fi sleep, me no glorify, just the smoke. But the message when the silence spoke, it bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence, bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rastaman moving, right direction. So come sit with I under the moon, let the chalice sing a healing tune in the stillness. We rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry the song. Smoke and silence, Jah make we strong.
people sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a Iman stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in a heart, fire in a soul. We live in the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs burn strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach high in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise, just clean meditation. Open eyes, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jacob. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth. So profound, this ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots and sacred trail. Open eyes. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me tread in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. Youth them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call your name. Me teach about herbs, me teach about drum. How to hear your voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze a meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power in a lion strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play. Where time slow down and thoughts get clean. Where we sip vitality and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame. Roots temple, remember the name. Remember the name.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion in a the post. Yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Ganja vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water join in. Me never alone. Me say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet, but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm for a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under just sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. Pon the roots highway, come what may.
Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse. Teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart, at the compass true. No clock rule, what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation.
Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Bada bim, bada boom. Rastafari. Smoke bang ya man. Yeah, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in a jungle, me mind run wild. Lion heart, me nah get tame. Me burn me herb and chant Jah name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat, keep the fire whole. Roots run deep in a eye man vein. Rasta love, wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. Me spirit chant like ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me burn the chalice pan sunrise peak. Me listen Jah voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wealth, me no need fame. Me find me peace in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide. She rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. Roll a spliff and close your eyes. Feel the fire as your spirit rise. Sound system shake, the sacred ground. Jah vibration in every song. Rasta youth, walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile pan face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take Jah power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need to pretend. Boost the vibes and ital stew. We reason true truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just art and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete grey, come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud, lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irie scene. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Rasta journey, you soon will keep. But first remember, roots run deep.
no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high, but keep me wise. It no a joke, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me bun the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Nyabinghi drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe all firm and clear. Each breath a step fi George and near. Them nod and like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion Raga, yeah, man. On the Irie Way, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice, start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in a sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in a hand, wisdom in a head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie Way, carry me home. Far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze. Whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land. Drumming truth with a healing hand. No fear in a this sacred path. Just love and the ancient craft. Irie Way, take I far. Past illusion, past war. Rasta wheel turn in Jah direction. Roots man soul in resurrection. In a chase money, in a chase fame. Just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. Of we live humble, of we stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living starts. So when you lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars in the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves. Balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for race. Jah timing, always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie Way, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie Way. So if you feel down, feel out a breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond salvation. Zion echoes, call your name.
Sacred smoke rise in the morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, the message spread. Herb make the humble find Jah instead. Me kneel pon the ground with the chalice in hand. The smoke at the bridge to the promised land. The morning dew mix with the fire's heat. Herb make the journey feel so sweet. Babylon try to silence Jah word, but the sacred smoke rise, them voices unheard. Through the haze, me see Jah plan. Every puff reveal the truth of man. Herb make the chains of Babylon fall. Sacred smoke rise, answer Jah call. Sacred smoke rising to Jah throne. Herb meditation make the truth be known. From the hills of Zion to the urban sprawl. Sacred smoke rising make the wicked fall. Them criminalize what Jah provide, but Jah herb make me spirit abide. The fire ignite, the smoke make it clear. Rasta chant loud fi Jah draw near. Me gaze pon the stars in the endless sky. Herb make me heart connect so high. The wicked them fight, but Jah herb prevail. Sacred smoke tell the ancient tale. The roots them strong, the leaves divine. Herb make the soul realign. Rasta chant pon the holy flame. Every leaf whisper Jah sacred name. The fire make the weary man find peace. Sacred smoke rise make the pain release. Sacred smoke rise in a morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, beneath his spur. Herb make the hunger find Jah in stir. Sacred smoke rise in Jah holy grace. Herb make the heart find its rightful place. Sacred smoke guide me through Jah way. Rasta chant strong till the final day.
The hills, we build me hut. Inna the hills, we build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds a sing, rhythm on the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in my soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I where life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in the morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise. With the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise. Just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill. Drumming and chanting until we feel still.
vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Man chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath, away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass, teach I lesson, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in the yard, life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in the hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean, me tem unnatural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with itals too and deep meditation. Come fi visit, but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rastaman reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring the sound, from hillside art to world around.
Chanting Psalms 23. Me Empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She are the queen of me temple, fire of the night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots girl, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me Empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stays steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low-key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain.
Seal of my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, yeah, man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring, just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She say, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true light that carry on. Me empress me back home. Together we build Zion throne. addiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer.
Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Kaya cushion a me low. Whoa. Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, my spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot on earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with jazz design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Nyabinghi beat.
Me close me eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, me vision get bright.
Lion on my chest still calm like sea.
Meditation guide I to Jah eternally.
Me no need no clock, time nor run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I eat food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, I shine from within. Rasta spirit